Today's the day. Hi, I'm at the Babbling Brook. Can you hear it? Sugarloaf State Park, Sonoma County, California. It's a pretty warm day. I'm here at bridge number 2. And I'm here to do a ceremony for a forgiveness process that I'm doing. I was telling you earlier in a different video that I feel so blessed and so light to know that my mom and my dad and I, all three of us, separate occasions, were able to forgive each other for all the past pains and sorrows and hurts and anguishes and expectations. So I was able to ask for forgiveness, and they graciously offered, graciously accepted, and forgave me back and asked me to forgive them, which is all part of the forgiveness exercise. And I just wanted to tell you really quick what that is. It's when you call to mind somebody who you've been having difficulties with, and you let them know that you forgive them for all the pain and suffering that you may have caused them intentionally or unintentionally. And even just saying it, it brings me down a notch. I just take a deep breath. So it's offering forgiveness and asking for forgiveness. Letting them know that you forgive them for all the pain and suffering that they've caused you, intentionally or unintentionally. It just happens. It's like human nature. All the expectations and unmet desires. It's forgiving it all and asking for forgiveness. And then just letting it all flow down your grounding cord. You can use your breath, which is a beautiful way to connect. Just take a deep breath. In through your nose if you can, and out through your mouth. Just let it out. Just let it out. And then just send it all the way down to the ground, to grandmother Earth, grandmother. And just compost it. Let it go and compost it. And then all that empty space that now exists from releasing that energy stuck in your body, just allow love and life force and divine energy to fill you up. Breathe it in. Release the dross. Breathe it in more. And so much easier to do here in nature, what I call big nature. So much easier to do here. And just allow yourself to be comforted. Yeah. And then in another video I'll show you I add using flowers, little heads of flowers, blooms of flowers, and let them go down the creek as a symbol of release. So that's it. And you use the same thing with people, with groups, with individuals, family, friends, acquaintances, business acquaintances, lovers. And then yourself. That's where my work comes in. That's next on my list. So sending garden hugs. And a fun tool to help clear your space. All right. Big nature hugs. Bye.